Welcome back, Fiat fans. I'm back with my friend Kristen, and today we're going to be installing the carbon fiber hood on her 500 Abarth. That's going to look real nice.
Now, I didn't find a lot of videos on this, so I hope it helps y'all out if you're going to swap out your hood.
Yeah, and of course, in typical fashion, this doesn't come with any instructions. So we're going to have to just make up shit on our own. All right, well, let's get working on getting this hood off. Yeah, this factory hood is pretty heavy. It's going to be interesting to weigh it and when we get it off, but it's just these 4 bolts. I think that's it. There's nothing else. And I don't know, we might have to adjust the latch like after the fact. But yeah, so this looks like maybe 10 millimeter. Here we go, 10 millimeter. Probably need this guy.
I'm nervous because it's so damn heavy. Okay.
Well, just take a bolt off on either side or a nut off on either side, and then we can start.
With a square that the nut or whatever is going through, so I guess as far as adjusting it, it's gonna shimmy it back and forth.
Right, yeah, we'll have to move it around a little bit. Just loosen that one a little bit, don't take it all the way off. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's starting.
Yeah, it's already starting to go.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab a hold of it.
Okay.
And yeah, you can go ahead and pop that thing out. So,
sorry y'all, I'm gonna be right in front of it.
Nice. Okay, so 4 bolts and the hood comes right off.
Oh, it's definitely easier with 2 people.
So do you want to run it just Mad Max style like this? Yeah, so I know these factory hoods are kind of heavy, so I got a little fish scale right here. Yeah, so that's 20 pounds. And the carbon fiber one, I can just pick up easy. And that's 7 pounds.
Oh my goodness.
That is a huge difference, 13 pounds from the factory hood to the carbon fiber. Wow. Since this thing is so light, I don't think it's a big deal. It seems like so easy to hold compared to the factory one.
Which one should I do first? Do you think it matters?
I don't think it really matters. Yeah, just get them in there finger tight.
It'd be nice if it just automatically lines up. I mean, to me, it looks like it's lining up in there. Surely it's not that easy. I thought this would take like an hour. There, it's close over here.
It's like touching?
Yeah, maybe pull it toward, like up in the air more. So there's a gap between.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. I'm trying to like pull it as far like this way as I can.
Oh, and then hand tighten it, right?
Yeah, and then hand tighten it.
Okay, so I pulled it up as far as I could. It was really just the corner that was touching. Oh, now there's a pretty big gap. More toward you. I think it was more lined up the first time, but now there's a pretty big gap over here.
Mm-hmm. You know these hinges, they move back and forth a little bit too. Mm-hmm. So I guess you kind of got to figure out. See, this is the tricky part of like doing this, is getting the gaps all lined up correctly. And I know the hood is already as far this way as it can go. So it does kind of look like maybe the hood can go a little bit more this way, maybe. What's interesting is that on both sides, it's sticking up above like this body line right here, but we've already pulled the hood as far down this way as it'll go. And it doesn't look like it's tucked up or like coming over or tucked up this way. So you know, I don't think the alignment is perfect, but it's probably as good as it's gonna get.
We're gonna get. I mean, I don't think it's noticeable unless you're gonna be like right up.
Well, all right. That wasn't too hard. It was just a little fiddly, you know, trying to get it to line up, and I guess it doesn't 100% match the original hood, but such small little minor details, like whenever you back up from the car like this, like you can't You don't see that at all. It looks fantastic.
It makes the side marker, the smoke, those things we had a heck of a time getting out with the last 30, it makes these really pop.
Yeah, it does. Wow. Well, all right. That's all there is to it. That actually wasn't too bad. Well, bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button.